Hi guys, another episode of my vlog, and today I'm gonna show you the beauty of Bergen in Norway. So let's watch this, and don't forget to subscribe. So it's snowing here guys, and as you can see, oh, so nice, very nice. Oh, amazing, amazing. Ganda. We're going to Fløyen. This is one of the spot here, one of the highest spots in Bergen. So from there, we're gonna see the city and overlooking view and everything. Napakaganda doon. I've never been there, but this time we'll make a shot. I'm so excited. Are you klar, Eliana? Are you klar? Yeah. Okay. Guys, we're about to see the view here. Oh wow. Wow. Welcome. Come here. Frische, do you know Eliana? Oh, it's so cold here. Napakalamig talaga. See my hands. Lamig, sakit sa paa. Hi guys, today I'm in Bergen in Norway. Here in Fløyen. Oh, it's so nice here. Ito nga pala ang bahay namin, itong terrace namin, no? So, kung nakikita nyo lahat ng views, mga alipin namin yan. Ganda ng view, grabe. Ang ganda dito. Oh, yan mga trabahador namin yan. Welcome to our palace. Pintas dito yun eh. Ganda ng Bergen guys. So if you come to Norway, just visit Bergen. You have to visit this place. Very nice place. And especially here sa Fløyen. May restaurant din sa taas. So yan. Pag nagutom ka at gusto mong umihi, ihi dyan. Pasok. Yan yung flag ng Norway pala. Oh. Wagayway. Medyo madulas lang talaga yung dadaanan kasi ano siya, snow na naulanan, so madulas na talaga siya. So you have to be careful when you walk down here. Punta kami ngayon doon. I'm excited to see more of this. Ganda dito, puro white tapos nakakaputi no. O nagdi kamurok niya. Natayda nga talaga. It's all white here. All white, all white. Siya lang makit-kita yo, rupa na. Mauma kayo rupak tatangal daw, nya? Oh, it's a troll. Siyempre hindi mawawala ang magpa-picture sa troll.
What we do here is go back.
Oh, nagdakkel mang iwa mo. Grabe eh. So dito guys, yung parang bilihan nila ng mga seafoods. Sobrang mahal dito, as in napakamahal ng mga bilihin. Kaya hindi ko afford. Oh, it's snowing again. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it's snowing here in Bergen. Oh, goodness.